We just celebrated our ESA Assembly, Eagle Soar to Success Assembly, and we celebrated many accomplishments from our students. We celebrated the kings and the queens for perfect attendance. They were rewarded a Burger King meal for their families for coming to school every day, and that's extremely important. Also, we had some special guests here. We had Mr. and Mrs. Sanchez from the Smiles from Heaven. They are the family that help out other families with children that are undergoing cancer treatment. And our students and our staff were able to give them gift cards, and we were very proud of being able to collect $1,681 to give to the families that are in need, that are in this situation, and we dearly hope that they do get better very soon. We also celebrated AR points, the classes that had the most AR points, and also the bilingual students of the month. We're very proud here at Leyendecker Elementary School. Our Eagles soar high.